Hi, my name is David and I am an owner of this Australian model Subaru Outback Touring. I'm not employed or sponsored by Subaru, just a happy owner who wants to share information, features and accessories available for the Australian and New Zealand models of this car, including my own add-ons that I've installed in this vehicle. If you like this channel, please don't forget to click the like button and hit the subscribe button to get the latest updates on this channel. I ordered this car on 31 December 2021 and picked it up from my dealer on 14th of March 2022. I believe the best time to buy a new car is towards the end of the month, when dealers are trying their hardest to hit the sales targets and be prepared to lose dollars on their sales to hit the sales targets for that month. I also included on my sales contract the option of cancelling my purchase with no penalties should the dealer fail to deliver my car by a certain date. I believe this clause included on my contract has assisted me in getting my Outback on time, as I've heard many stories from people who ordered their Outback months before mine and are still waiting for the delivery after I picked up this car. I bought this car with the Explorer pack, which includes the cargo resin step panel, cargo mat, carpet mats, weather shields and tow bar. When I picked up this car from the dealer, I thought the tow bar was missing, as it didn't appear to have been installed looking at the back of my car. The tow bar was actually put away near the spare tyre for me to install when I need it. The tow ball and the connector plug are hidden away when not in use, so you wouldn't know if a tow bar is actually fitted to the car if the tow ball isn't connected. Personally, I would prefer to keep the tow ball on, which would provide a little protection should another vehicle hit my car from the rear. This is how you install the tow bar to your genuine Subaru Outback tow bar fitting. So this is the rear of my Subaru Outback, and believe it or not, there's actually a tow bar installed in this vehicle. You just can't tell by looking at it. So I'll show you how to get access to the tow bar and the connector plug for the trailer that you're towing. So I'll start off with the connector plug. So that's actually located just under here, and you just pull it out and there it is. Now to put the tow ball on, underneath you will see the plug, and you just pull that plug out, and this is the tow ball, which comes with a key, and that key you got to put it on. Okay, like that, and then you turn the key, and once you turn the key you're able to pull it out and twist the knob. So once you turn that and twist that knob, you can put it into the slot like that, and then it locks in, twists, you turn that key, off it goes, and there it is. So now, before you know there was a tow bar in the car, and now you do know. I could not find any information on YouTube about this type of connection, so I hope this helps you. Some of you may prefer the more common 2-inch square tow bar hitch available in most tow bar fittings, and if that is the case, you can purchase a ball mount receiver adapter to fit your tow bar to an existing 2-inch square hitch coupling, which you may already have at home. You can purchase the ball mount receiver adapter for a 2-inch square hitch, such as the one available in this image. I haven't owned or used a ball mount receiver adapter for a 2-inch square hitch, so I'd love to get feedback from viewers who have on this channel who have actually used this adapter by posting your experience of using this adapter in the comments below. Well, that is it from this episode 2 of Aussie Outback Owners Channel. In the next episode of this channel, I'll mention some features of this car that I discovered after buying this car, as well as hidden features that many owners may not be aware exist and may find very useful. Until then, Happy outbacking!